Hi, this is Tony English. I'm one of the board of directors, on the board of directors for the Rolling Hills HOA, and we have an election coming up, and there's three people on the ballot, and I'm endorsing two of them, Chris Solario and Rachel Harrelson. And so I wanted you to meet Chris, who's the president of the board now, doing a phenomenal job, and here he is. Here's Chris.
Thanks, Tony. So I think it's very important that we first understand that there are two candidates that are currently on the board right now, Rachel and myself. You're allowed to vote for two members on this next election, and I would ask for your support for both of us. We started on the board about 3 years ago, and we've created a lot of momentum over the years. This last year, we've changed a bunch of vendors to try to be more efficient with our funds and to actually have a better product. The vendors that we had previously were not doing a job that we would like, and so that we made that difficult decision to make a change. Our slopes are getting improved, our trees are being taken care of in a manner which would be less dangerous to our community. So there's some situations that we're still working on. We want to look at maybe trying to work on the park, on what we're going to do with the park, with the gates. We're still working on the gates and trying to be a little more, bring them up to a little more safety issues. We've created some safety committees. We have a road committee that's looking in the roads to try to make sure that our road life is extended. Our project that will begin sometime in May will be the tennis court. We're going to resurface the tennis courts to try to make sure that they're more accessible to our community. We really hope that you can support us. If there's any questions that you have, please come to one of the meetings. We'd be glad to talk to you. Thank you.
Yeah, I'd just like to add that it's been amazing to watch Chris be the president of the board. He really is amazing. He is so detailed oriented, and he works on every little dollar. He's saving us money all over the place. I've seen him go out and change a vendor from thousands of dollars to a couple $100 by just meeting him and talking about the situation. So it's really, really important that we get Chris and Rachel back on. So if you have any questions, I wish I had more time. I could tell you, I list all the things that we're doing. It's really exciting. We have a great board right now, so let's just keep the momentum going, all right? Call me if you have any questions.